Hi friends, my name is Ranjit Saud. Friends, this is my new channel EFT Hub and this is my first video on this channel. Friends, this channel will be recording spoken English and computer courses. Friends, if you want to start your journey regarding spoken English, if you want to speak effective English language, if you want to be fluent and confident in English language, if you want to speak attractive English language, if you want to communicate well with any kind of people in English language, if you want to categorize many topics in English language, if you want to represent yourself in English language, if you want to play your tremendous role while speaking English language, if you want to speak influential English language, if you want to speak impactful English language, if you want to express yourself in English language without facing any challenges, nervousness, shyness, embarrassment and barriers. So friends, you are at the right place here and this channel will be suitable for you. So friends, my humble request to you all, I appeal to you all, I highly recommend to you all, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit yes and hit the bell icon for latest video notification. So friends, in this video, I would like to tell you how to speak effective English language. Yes, how to speak effective English language without facing any challenges, nervousness, shyness, embarrassment and barriers. Friends, in this video, I would like to mention here many tips and tricks, strategy, techniques, ideas and abundance information by which you can know the process to speak English language without facing any challenges. So friends, without further delay, let's start this video. So friends, I would like to tell you how to speak effective English language. Yes, how to speak effective English language. My dear, if you want to speak effective English language, then my first tips is here. Please follow this. Practice regularly. What? Practice regularly. One more time. Practice regularly. My dear, if you are practicing in English language anytime, anywhere, then definitely, my dear, you can speak English language effectively without facing any challenges. If you are not practicing in English and if you want to be fluent in English language, then there is no any possibility you can speak in English language as good as possible. If you want to speak effective English language, then definitely you will have to do practice again and again. What? Again and again. Yes, if you are practicing as much as possible with your own self, yes, with your own self, then definitely, my dear, you can get some ideas how to speak English language at any kind of place without facing any challenges. As you can see that so many people are facing so many problems while speaking English language. What is the reason there? They are unable to speak whatever they want to speak in English language. What is reason? What is reason? The reason is here. They are not practicing in English. That's why they are unable to frame the sentences. They are thinking what to speak, when to speak, where to speak, how to speak, what should be my first sentences, what should be my last sentences. They are thinking just like that. If you are facing such kind of problems, my dear, practice regularly will help you and engage you to speak multiple sentences just like that. Small sentences, long sentences as well as complex sentences. As you know that consistent practice is key. Yes, consistent practice is key. If you are practicing anytime, anywhere, then definitely, my dear, you can get some ideas to speak English language with bombastically. Otherwise, there is no any possibility you can speak English language effectively. As you can see that if you want to speak English language effectively, my dear, then you will have to indulge yourself in English language as much as possible. Indulge yourself into the English language as much as possible. Surround yourself in English language as much as possible. What? Surround yourself in English language as much as possible. With the help of this, you can know the process to speak English language at any kind of place without facing any challenges, nervousness, shyness, embarrassment and barriers. Yes, if you want to speak deeply, briefly and extensively, if you want to analyze any kind of topics, if you want to narrate any kind of topics, if you want to express yourself in English language at any kind of place, so my dear, you will have to do practice as much as possible. With the help of the practice, you can twist your tongue while speaking English language. You will be habitual to speak English language. When will you go to speak in English language? You will not get stuck while speaking English language. That's why I highly recommend to you all, my appeal to you all, my humble request to you all, please, please, please practice as much as possible. Practice as much as possible. Without practice, you cannot frame the sentences. You cannot construct the sentences. If you want to speak, then there is need of practice. So friends, my next tips is here, expand your vocabulary. Yes, expand your vocabulary. What? Expand your vocabulary. My dear, without vocabulary, what can you speak in English language? What can you speak in English language? If you want to define any kind of topics in English language, if you want to frame any kind of sentence just like that, small sentences, long sentences, as well as complex sentences, then there is no any possibility you can frame in English language any kind of sentences. My dear, there is need of vocabulary, word power, meaning, collection of the word power. If you have such kind of things, then you can know the process to speak English language deeply, briefly, and extensively. Otherwise, you cannot know the process to speak English language at any kind of place without facing any challenges. Vocabulary is also playing crucial role, tremendous role. Without vocabulary, if you want to speak any sentences at any kind of place, then my dear, you will face a lot of problem while speaking English language. My dear, learn vocabularies, collect the vocabularies, and use those all vocabulary in your communication, in your conversation, in your interactions. If you are doing such kind of activities, then you can speak English language effectively. You can be fluent in English language without facing any challenges. My dear, English is too easy language. If you want to speak bombastically, then there is need of vocabularies, word power, idioms and phrases, meanings. If you have such kind of content, if you have such kind of word power, then my dear, you can express yourself without facing any challenges at any kind of place. Without word power, my dear, you cannot know the process to speak English language as good as possible. That's why I highly recommend to you all, my humble request to you all, I appeal to you all, please, collect the word power as much as possible and use those all word power in your communication. Yes, if you are using those all word power in your communication, if you are using those all word power while translating Hindi to English, English to Hindi, then definitely, my dear, you can boost your fluency how to speak English language at any kind of place. Otherwise, you cannot get some ideas to speak English language. So many people are facing so many problems. Why? They don't have collection of the vocabulary. That's why they are facing lots of problem while speaking English language. This is biggest reason. Yes, I have seen so many places whenever any kind of learner are going to speak with any kind of people in English language, they get stuck. What is the reason there? They don't have knowledge of the vocabulary. They don't have collection of the vocabularies. That's why they are facing lots of problem while speaking English language. Please, collect the vocabularies and use those all vocabulary in your communication, interactions, conversation. If you are doing such kind of activities, then definitely, my dear, you can boost your fluency. You can speak effective English language. You can be fluent and confident English speaker. Otherwise, there is no any possibility. So friends, my third tip is here, focus on pronunciation. Yes, focus on pronunciation. Yes, one more time, focus on pronunciation. If you are speaking English and you are not speaking any sentences correctly with good pronunciation, that will look very dull. That sounds look very dull. That's why I highly recommend to you all, please focus on pronunciation while speaking any sentences in front of any kind of people. Otherwise, if you are speaking English language, if you are communicating with any kind of people and you are not pronouncing any words correctly and you are pronouncing that word incorrectly, then that sounds look very dull, monotonous. No one will like you that time. That's why focus on pronunciation. Focus on pronunciation while speaking any word, या sentences, या small sentences, या long sentences as well as complex sentences. Whenever you are speaking any kind of topics in front of any kind of people, try to speak with good pronunciation. What? Try to speak with good pronunciation. Try to pronounce any words clearly. Otherwise, that word look very monotonous. That sounds look very dull and no one will like you that time. That's why, my dear, my humble request to you all, please, while speaking English language, focus on pronunciation. What? Focus on pronunciation. Means if you are speaking any kind of things in front of any kind of people and you are not pronouncing any words clearly, you are not articulating any points clearly, that's why my humble request to you all, please try to focus on pronunciation to speak English language effectively. So friends, without focusing on the pronunciation, you cannot speak English language like a native, like a natural. My dear, if you want to speak English like a native, like a natural, then there is need of good pronunciation. Articulate any points. Articulate any points. Because without focusing on the pronunciation, you cannot articulate any point. That's why I highly recommend to you all, please focus on pronunciation to speak English language as good as possible at any kind of place. My dear, English is too easy. I told you earlier. With the help of the grammar, rule and regulation, practicing, you can be fluent in English language. It will take some time. This is not one day process. In one day you can learn entire English language. In one day you can learn entire English language. This is not one day process. It will take some time. It will take some effort. If you are putting 100% effort, then definitely, my dear, you can be fluent in English language. So, my dear, my fourth tips is here. Use technology. What? Use technology. Yes, use technology. If you are using technology to learn English language effectively, my dear, definitely you can learn English language effectively. You can be fluent in English language. In this modern era, there are so many technology, there are so many resources. While using that resources to learn English language, you can be fluent in English language. You can be fluent in English language. Please try to use that resources on right directions. On right directions, just like that cell phone, computer, laptop. If you are using such kind of resources to learn English language, then you can speak effective English language having sit at the one place. What? Having sit at the one place, you can be fluent in English language. My dear, if you are using cell phone, what? If you are using cell phone, then there are so many platforms in cell phone, just like that YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Such kind of platform will also help you to speak English language as good as possible. Such kind of platform will also help you to speak English language as good as possible. If you want to define any kind of topics, then go through the YouTube. There are so many tutor, trainer, teacher, influencer. They are also speaking as good as possible English language. Please try to imitate them. Please try to imitate them. Yes, please try to imitate them. Watch English movies. Yes, watch English movies. Listen English audio podcast. This will also help you and engage you to speak English language as good as possible. If you want to be fluent in English language, then try to use your resources on right directions. If you are using your resources on right direction, then definitely, my dear, you can be fluent in English language. There are so many platforms. There are so many platforms. If you are going through the YouTube, on any kind of websites, if you are using any kind of application via Play Store, then I think that, my dear, these resources will also help you to speak English language as good as possible. So friends, if you found this video is very helpful, yes, if you found this video is very helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye.